1. 1989 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price $25,000, located San Antonio, Texas. The 1989 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a professionally built street machine engineered to deliver incredible turbocharged performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the legendary Fox body platform. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior, this impressive Mustang has accumulated approximately 100,000 miles and has been carefully upgraded with premium racing components throughout. Power comes from a forged Gen 3 5.3-liter LS iron block engine featuring ARP head studs and professionally ported 243-cylinder heads. A massive Bullseye 80mm turbocharger works alongside a Holley high ram intake and Bosch 220-pound injectors to produce well over 1,000 horsepower. The drivetrain includes an FTI Level 4 Powerglide transmission with a Neil-Chance torque converter and a strengthened Ford 8.8 rear axle for dependable performance. Advanced Holley Dominator engine management controls traction control, wheel speed sensors, driveshaft monitoring, air shifter functions, CO2 systems, and a 7-inch digital display. Additional upgrades include dual MagnaFuel 750 fuel pumps, Strange suspension, Kaiser single beadlock wheels, and numerous race-inspired components. This exceptional Mustang offers breathtaking acceleration, proven engineering, and outstanding reliability for experienced high-performance enthusiasts. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Custom Suburban. Price $59,000, located Euless, Texas. The 1969 Chevrolet Custom Suburban is an extraordinary custom SUV that combines timeless Chevrolet styling with modern performance upgrades and exceptional craftsmanship. Built over a 2-year period with no expense spared, this street-legal classic has received more than $125,000 in professional modifications. Power comes from a legendary 454 cubic-inch Chevrolet big block V8 paired with a smooth-shifting 700 automatic transmission and a durable rear axle featuring 3.73 gears. Performance upgrades include CCP front disc brakes, Hedman headers, custom driveshaft conversion, and electronically controlled 3-inch exhaust cutouts that deliver an aggressive exhaust note on demand. Inside, the Suburban retains its period-correct appearance while incorporating modern convenience through Dakota digital gauges and a retro custom sound audio system. The cabin also features authentic second and third row seating complete with armrests, seatbelts, and a seamless custom headliner that enhances the premium finish. Professionally assembled and exceptionally well-maintained, this unique 1969 Chevrolet Suburban offers outstanding performance, vintage utility, and remarkable attention to detail, making it a rare opportunity for collectors seeking a truly distinctive custom classic. 3. 1987 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 Hatchback. Price $15,000, located Georgetown, Texas. The 1987 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 hatchback is a well-built street machine that combines classic Fox body styling with proven naturally aspirated performance and carefully selected aftermarket upgrades. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this clean title Mustang has traveled only 38,814 miles and remains a dependable performer. Under the hood is a strong 306 cubic-inch V8 featuring Edelbrock E-Street aluminum heads, Victor Jr. intake manifold, Crower solid camshaft, BBK shorty headers, trick-flow MLS gaskets, upgraded rocker arms, high-volume fuel pump, and a complete nitrous system ready for installation. Power is delivered through a Tremec 3555-speed manual transmission equipped with a Steeda triax shifter, brand new ram clutch system, aluminum driveshaft, and a strengthened Ford 8.8 rear axle with 4.30 gears and upgraded 31-spline axles. Adjustable UPR suspension components improve traction and handling, while the working air conditioning adds everyday comfort. Riding on Mickey Thompson front tires and wider rear performance tires, this Mustang offers exciting performance, dependable reliability, and outstanding value for enthusiasts seeking a classic American muscle car. 4. 1969 Chevrolet Nova. Price $30,000, located Kingsville, Texas. The 1969 Chevrolet Nova is a professionally built tube chassis drag car designed for serious racing enthusiasts who demand exceptional horsepower and premium competition components. This impressive Nova is powered by a freshly assembled Chafarra 582 cubic-inch big block Chevrolet engine producing more than 900 horsepower on the dyno, making it an outstanding performer for competitive drag racing. The engine features high-quality internal components, including a Callies crankshaft, 14.1 compression pistons, and a custom-built 1050 Rupert Dominator carburetor for maximum performance. Supporting equipment includes a complete one-piece wiring harness, racepack data acquisition system, and modern digital instrumentation to provide accurate race information during every pass. According to the seller, this new engine combination has never been down the track, offering the next owner the opportunity to campaign a completely fresh setup. The seller is also willing to separate the complete engine package from the roller if desired, creating additional flexibility for prospective buyers. Combining exceptional craftsmanship, premium racing hardware, and tremendous horsepower, this 1969 Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for dedicated drag racing competitors. 5. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Pro Mod. Price $35,000, located Edgewood, Texas. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Pro Mod is a purpose-built competition machine designed to deliver outstanding drag racing performance while showcasing aggressive modern engineering beneath its iconic classic styling. Featuring a lightweight 7/8 scale fiberglass body finished in matte black vinyl, this race-ready Bel Air is built around a chromoly double-frame rail tube chassis for maximum strength and reduced weight. The drivetrain is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, while a floating Ford 9-inch rear axle with a strange aluminum center section and Mark Williams axles ensures dependable power delivery. Additional race equipment includes an aluminum driveshaft, strange adjustable front struts, rear coilover suspension, weld beadlock wheels, ProStar 500 fuel pump, aluminum radiator with electric fan, Arc touch switch panel, Chrome Pro bandit shifter, Pro Cube delay box, wheelie bars, parachute, rear wing, and lightweight Lexan windows throughout. Professionally assembled and ready for completion with your preferred drivetrain, this impressive Pro Mod offers exceptional race potential, premium components, and outstanding craftsmanship for serious competitors or collectors seeking a high-quality drag racing platform. 6. 1976 Chevrolet Vega Race Car. Price $24,500, located Fort Worth, Texas. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega race car is a professionally prepared turnkey bracket and index racer designed to deliver consistent performance while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic American compact. Finished in white with a black interior, this race-ready Vega has accumulated approximately 1,000 miles and is fully prepared for immediate competition. Power comes from a dependable 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with Brodix aluminum cylinder heads and a Westmay methanol carburetor for outstanding throttle response and reliable power delivery. A Powerglide automatic transmission paired with an FTI torque converter and Pro Tree brake efficiently transfers power to a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle. The chassis features an NHRA 8.50 certification, professionally installed ladder bars, QA1 adjustable front suspension, AFCO double adjustable rear shocks, and four-wheel race-prepared components that provide exceptional stability on every pass. Despite its competition focus, the Vega retains its all-steel body, original glass windows, and functional roll-down side windows, making it especially unique. Capable of consistent 6.10 to 6.20 second-eighth mile passes, this Chevrolet is ready to compete immediately without requiring additional preparation. 7. 1955 Chevrolet Drag Car. Price $24,000, located China Spring, Texas. The 1955 Chevrolet Drag Car is a purpose-built racing machine offering an exceptional opportunity for competitors seeking a complete performance package with tremendous potential. Built on a full steel chassis with an aluminum interior, this classic two-door Chevrolet has been engineered specifically for consistent bracket racing and high-performance drag competition. The vehicle features fiberglass front body panels, doors, and deck lid while retaining steel rear quarters and roof for added strength. Additional equipment includes Weld Racing Magnum wheels, ladder bar rear suspension, QA1 front shocks, AFCO Big Gun rear shocks, line lock, trans brake, and a professionally prepared FTI Powerglide transmission. Power is supplied by a 500 cubic inch Chevrolet big block featuring Brodix cylinder heads, Lunati roller camshaft, MSD ignition system, and both gasoline and E85 Holley Dominator carburetors. Also included is a partially assembled 632 cubic inch Merlin big block engine requiring only a few remaining components. According to the seller, the car consistently competed in 5.80 index racing and bracket events, making this an outstanding package for racers seeking premium equipment and exceptional value. 8. 1972 Ford Maverick. Price $35,500, located Vidor, Texas. The The 1972 Ford Maverick is a beautifully customized street machine that blends classic compact styling with dependable modern LS performance and everyday drivability. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, this professionally built Maverick has accumulated approximately 25,000 miles and is designed to provide outstanding comfort without sacrificing performance. Power comes from a lightweight all-aluminum 5.7-liter LS V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 200R4 automatic overdrive transmission, creating an excellent balance of acceleration and highway cruising capability. Modern upgrades include cold air conditioning, rack and pinion steering, and numerous refinements that make this classic enjoyable for regular use. The seller describes the vehicle as exceptionally fun to drive, whether on short weekend cruises or longer road trips. Its combination of modern drivetrain technology and timeless Ford styling creates a unique driving experience that appeals to both collectors and performance enthusiasts. Carefully assembled with attention to reliability and comfort, this 1972 Maverick offers impressive performance, attractive presentation, and dependable operation, making it an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a classic American resto-mod ready to enjoy immediately. 9. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe. Price $55,000, located Houston, Texas. The 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe is an extraordinary high-horsepower pro-street machine built to deliver exceptional supercharged performance while maintaining its unmistakable G-body styling. Finished in black with a striking red interior, this professionally constructed Monte Carlo has accumulated only 500 miles since completion and is capable of producing nearly 1,600 horsepower. At the heart of the build is a Dart Big M engine block fitted with a billet rotating assembly, AFR cylinder heads, and a massive TBS 1071 Telon rotor supercharger capable of generating substantial boost pressure. Dual 950 CFM carburetors, custom Zumi headers, billet radiator, and a DH custom cooling system ensure dependable operation under demanding conditions. A Stage 4 Turbo 350 automatic transmission transfers power to a Ford 9-inch rear axle supported by a ladder bar rear suspension for outstanding traction. Additional equipment includes a TCI shifter, dual batteries, and a 20-gallon fuel cell. Designed to operate on alcohol while remaining capable of running pump gasoline, this exceptional Monte Carlo combines race-ready engineering, premium components, and breathtaking performance into one unforgettable American muscle car. 10. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price $52,000, located Manville, Texas. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova is an exceptionally well-built pro-street machine that combines classic muscle car styling with outstanding supercharged performance and modern driving comfort. Finished in brilliant custom candy apple red with a black interior, this beautifully maintained Nova has accumulated 12,345 miles and has reportedly never been raced. Power comes from a professionally built 383 cubic inch stroker V8 equipped with a billet 6V71 blower shop supercharger, delivering incredible acceleration while maintaining excellent street manners. The drivetrain features a turbo 350 automatic transmission with line lock, gear vendors overdrive, and a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 4.11 gears and a spool for dependable power delivery. Additional upgrades include vintage air heating and air conditioning, electric power steering, aerospace electric power brakes, Motion Raceworks parachute, QA1 front and rear coilover suspension, QA1 control arms, Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust, billet specialties double beadlock wheels, and oversized ET Street rear tires. Garage kept since its professional paintwork in 2018, this remarkable Nova offers exceptional craftsmanship, impressive reliability, and breathtaking performance for collectors and pro-street enthusiasts alike. 11. 1992 Pontiac Trans Am. Price $65,000, located St. John's, Florida. The 1992 Pontiac Trans Am is a professionally engineered top sportsman race car originally constructed by Smith Racecraft for pro stock competition, making it one of the most impressive purpose-built Pontiacs available today. Finished in show-quality black with a matching black interior, this clean title race machine has traveled only 1,000 miles and features a chromoly double-frame rail chassis with a current 6.0 certification. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt 598 cubic inch Sunset Racing engine equipped with Big Duke cylinder heads, Wilson billet tunnel ram intake, dual 1250 Dominator carburetors, and a Moroso dry sump lubrication system. A Reed Supercase Powerglide transmission with air shifter, launch control, and throttle stop efficiently transfers power through a Jerry Bickle rear housing and carbon fiber driveshaft. Additional race equipment includes lamb brakes, adjustable suspension, Beyond Omega 450 delay box, automatic halon fire suppression system, and premium competition components throughout. With only 41 passes on the rebuilt engine and proven 4.84-second eighth-mile performance at 148 miles per hour, this exceptional Trans Am is fully prepared for serious competition. 12. 1980 Chevrolet El Camino. Price $25,000, located Santa Fe, Texas. The 1980 Chevrolet El Camino is a powerful pro-street pickup that combines classic utility with serious big block performance and professionally installed racing components. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate exceptional horsepower and dependable engineering, this custom El Camino is powered by a massive 496 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine featuring Merlin cylinder heads and a solid lifter valve train professionally assembled by Owens Racing. Fuel delivery is managed by a modern Holley EFI system, providing excellent throttle response and reliable tuning for both street and strip applications. A 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission equipped with a Trans brake transfers power through a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring aggressive 4.10 gears. Adjustable coilover suspension at all 4 corners provides outstanding handling and traction, while a fully installed dual-stage nitrous oxide system has been professionally plumbed and wired for future use, although the seller states it has never been activated. With approximately 5,000 miles on the complete build, this El Camino offers remarkable performance, quality craftsmanship, and the unmistakable character that makes classic Chevrolet muscle vehicles highly desirable among collectors and performance enthusiasts.